Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. I'm going to do a quick video today on headlight restoration and specifically trying to make headlights more clear. This isn't something that you should do unless your headlights are already pretty bad. So this is the before, this is the after. They're never going to be perfect, but from the factory, headlights have a UV coating, and that UV coating gets removed when you're polishing it. Like, that's what's breaking down and that's what's causing the discoloring, and when you polish it, it gets removed. And so once you do it the first time, you're going to end up doing it more often. I'm just going to be clear about that at the beginning. So to talk about what I'm going to be using here in terms of products, so I've cleaned this already using Chemical Guy's EcoSmart, which is a waterless car wash. And then I'm going to be using my 3-inch polisher with a blue pad. These are Rupes blue pads. And I'm going to be using a Chemical Guy's product called Headlight Restorer. Honestly, most polishers will work just fine for this. I've used my Auto Magic polishes. I've used, Jesscar Correcting Compound. I've used Sonex Cut Max. I've used a variety of other polishes. So if you have a polish on the shelf, don't buy one that's specifically for headlight restoration. I happen to own one, so that's what I'm going to use. So I've got my pad. I've got a little bit of polish on here, and I'm just going to kind of spread it out. So I didn't do the whole tape line thing like lots of people do, but you can kind of see the difference here where this side is yellow and this side is clear, kind of a before and after. And you take a look at this line up here, you can very clearly see a difference between where I did and where I didn't. So that was minutes. It really doesn't take much to make a pretty drastic improvement in a headlight. So there we go, nice and easy. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take some wax, like a carnauba wax, and I'm just going to apply it just to give me a little bit of protection. So apply a nice heavy coat, we'll let this dry, and then we'll remove it. All right, so the wax is dried, we're just gonna rub it off, and now, is it perfect? No. Is it way better? Absolutely. So, that took 6 minutes of effort, 7 minutes of effort, and it made a pretty drastic difference. I realize that I have a 3-inch polisher and it's a $400 polisher, but realistically, a cheap entry-level polisher will achieve the same job. It is nice to do it with a smaller polisher because the headlight is smaller and there are some details, but you can do it with a 5-inch. I've done it with a 5-inch. It'll work. You can do it with a nano. So if you do have a 3-inch polisher, that'll probably make it a little bit easier, or you can use a smaller pad on a 5-inch backing plate. Just be careful with the edges. Anyway, so Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Have a great day.